Hello viewers, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can make an Amazon account. For this, open Google Chrome, search here Amazon and hit enter. Click here. Down the right side you can see new customer start here. Click here. Enter your name here. Enter your email here. Enter your password here. Now re-enter your password and click on create your Amazon account. Now your Amazon account has been made. You can purchase anything from here. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on the video. And don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get more updates.